guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm bringing you my favorites video from the month of February. You guys, you know the month of February is where everyone expresses their love for a loved one or a companion, or they lie about it. I mean, you know, you take your pick. That's what we do in the month of February. I had such an amazing time in the month of February because I got booked for an incredible gig for All-Star Weekend that was in Charlotte, North Carolina. So I got a chance to travel there, and I worked with Hennessy. And you ready? And your girl was the makeup artist for the Dwayne Wade toast. You guys know Dwayne Wade, Gabrielle Union, the new baby. I mean, you guys know, right? If not, yeah, come from up under the rock. And also during that same weekend, I was the makeup artist for the All-Star Tribute. So two big gigs in the month of February. Got a chance to travel back to Charlotte. Of course, you guys know that Charlotte has a special place in my heart because we lived there for 12 years. I didn't get a chance to hang out too much around All-Star Weekend because my personal All-Star, my son Earl Chandler, is starting to play in his AAU championship, so I had to kick it in the second gear and get my behind to Atlanta. So nobody did get a chance to allow any celebrities to get a chance to meet me because, of course, that's what it should have been about. But my All-Star and my family were in Atlanta, so we jetted out and went there. Also in the month of February, I had an opportunity to pull together my newest series for my YouTube channel called Less Glam More. This is a series where I go live on location with everyday women. They are bringing in their makeup bags and we are addressing their skincare or makeup issues live. So there's a new series. If you guys haven't caught up, check the link in the description box. This one is a 4-part series. It was basically for the women of my hometown, just to basically announce that I'm back in the area. I love to be a resource for them, and can I tell you, it went spectacular. The next one's coming up May 11th. It's going to be my Generations of Beauty Age Less Glam More seminar as well. Stay tuned to hear more from that. Make sure that you're following my Instagram. It's very important. That's where I get a chance to post the most, so you can always stay updated. And that's a quick recap of what my February was like. With all that being said, in typical favorites fashion, grab your notepad and whatever you're drinking, and let's get into my February favorites. Okay, can we just go ahead and address the quick little snatching slayage that is going on? I think I'm going to start with hair care products first because this month hair has been a big part of my everyday routine or my glam routines. The giveaway that started going on my channel is from the brand Formulate, you guys. This Formulate is a customized hair care service. They will allow you to basically answer a questionnaire, let them know what your specifications for your hair care products, such as my hair is curly, so I didn't want sulfates, parabens, I didn't want any crazy silicones in my hair care products, so they addressed that. I told them that I needed something that has a strengthening agent or more like a protein agent. They took care of that. I told them that I only shampooed my hair once a week. They took care of that. So there are things of that nature that really allowed me to get shampoo and conditioner formulated for my specific hair type. There is a giveaway going on my channel right now, and I think Formulate is going to accept 4 more people. Once that is done, that's it. Somebody's going to be chosen by them. So if you haven't already entered and I haven't responded back to you, you might want to get to clicking the link in the description box. Go over to Formulate, click the link, let them know that Kiani sent you, and you will be entered to win. 4 more people. Get to it. I have been obsessing over being able to pull my hair all the way up into a quick bun, you guys. Now you know that my hair is super thin, super fine, but my curls are really coming back, so I'm kind of loving this Asian chignon situation. I'm just loving it as a quick slayage look. I'll say products that I've fallen in love has been the Style Factor. This one is a edge booster. It's supposedly a stronghold water-based pomade. That's what I really like. Water-based pomade. This one has an apple scent. The product is clear. I don't really smell a scent. And you'll see that between me and my daughter, we've given this a good go. Although it looks red, it's only the container because the product obviously is clear. So it kind of gives me a little bit of sheen to my hair. You know what I'm saying? I love it. I can kind of do a quick co-wash on it, pull it right out, not feel like my hair is super weighted down by products. And I just love that it's been keeping my hair all the way together. As far as edge control, I'm back into the whole edge situation because I now have some. This is the edge control. This one is by Au Naturel. Again, a similar product. This one is a little bit stickier because I think when you're laying your edges, you would want to have a little bit more hold. So this one, I've actually been really pleased. It says no flakes, guaranteed. I won't say that I get flakes during the day, but if you kind of get there and you start irritating around the edge area, obviously it's probably going to flake a little bit. But I typically, when I take my makeup off, honey, the edges go too. We kind of put a quick little rinsing on them, pull all the product out, so we're ready to go again the next day. So that's kind of my tip. But when mama had to turn it all the way up, this is the unit that you guys have seen me in the most. The unit is totally not you. I did highlight this unit in a collaborative video with Augusta Beauty Outlet. You guys know that I'm a quick little spokesperson for them. Bloop. And yeah, this unit is by Model. And again, I will leave this unit linked in the description box for that video that addresses this unit. Honey, we have been doing all kinds of things in this unit, and although I will say I have friends that hate this unit, girl, she's one of those that I specifically love. I had this unit since, I want to say, November of last year, and girl, check in, she's still killing it. And really, who else's opinion matters other than mine? Because she's on my head, right? Take note from that. I have to talk about accessories to you guys, and then I promise you we're going to talk about makeup. These earrings from Forever 21 have been my absolute favorite. They're giving you this very vivid tortoiseshell action. Isn't that absolutely stunning? And if you are like me, I hate earrings that look this pretty, that are too heavy for your head and ear to hold for a long day. These are weightless, honestly. These are not even together are they 1 pound. I absolutely am obsessed. And doesn't it just give my oval shaped hand a lot of balance? I'm obsessed with them. I almost wore them again in this video, but I'm super obsessed. These are truly my favorites. Again, Forever 21, keeping your girl together. Now, let's go ahead and move into, you know, what you really came here for, the makeup. You guys, oh my God, the new e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Believe the hype. This primer, I'm like overly obsessed with it. I have been experimenting with this product, and I am really obsessed. A lot of people are comparing this one to the Tatcha primer. I'm totally not a fan for that. I think it settles into my pores. It makes my pores appear. I totally don't like that. This one at a price of under $10, honey, totally the best primer I've ever gotten from a drugstore. You guys know that I am an Estee Lauder skincare snot, honey, but this, oh no, I might need to put this in my Test or Invest series. The e.l.f. primer might be better than the Estee Lauder. I mean, yeah, I said it. She's good. Another skincare product, and I'm not going to really say skincare, but because it's kind of a liquidy, it is kind of, to me, in the skincare realm, the new Mora Endless Setting, wait for it, powder. Not setting spray, a setting powder. Oh my God, you guys thought I was going to say setting spray, but this one does have a refreshing, radiant finish. And just by the mere fact they call this a setting powder, I only use a little bit of my RCMA powder to set my concealer. And after that, any other powder that I use, I spray this over my face to blend it down. Oh my God, you guys, let me just show you real quick. Can you see how super fine that mist is? It smells absolutely amazing. And can I tell you, the only other spray that I love that much like that was the Chanel spray. There's a setting mist by Chanel, obsessed. It was about $100 though. This one is going to run you about $10. The scent smells the same, the sprayer is the same, other than you having to do this a little bit more. But the mist, I'm talking about the mist, it's not giving you a harder mist like the Mario Badescu, which I also love. Can you tell how that mist is a little bit more? This one is giving you fineness. Can you see what I'm saying? So if you're loving a spray on your face, either before, during, or after your makeup, this spray goals. Amazing. Also this month, I really gave a go the Mora Mega Concealer. This one is a waterproof full coverage concealer. And you guys know, normally when I do my favorite videos, I go ahead and give you that full beat. But this month I wanted, like I said, I really played in the everyday makeup look. I recorded this look for you guys, so I was like, you know what, go ahead and keep it on. Let the girls see that you can still slay and not have to use 21, 24, 26, 30 different products. But I'm using this Mora concealer, Obsessed, and the color, oh my god, the color that I'm using is number 6. It's caramel, super close to my everyday color, but so it's not going to be really bright. Although if this one is number 6, I have to do a little bit more research to see how many colors this one comes in. But oh my god, the formulation is amazing. The doe foot applicator is amazing. Again, coming in from Mora Cosmetics, a newer brand. This is going to be definitely under $10 or $11, so definitely worth a go. Next, I have to talk about 2 fun eyeshadow palettes that I played with in the month of February. Let's go to a little bit more of the bolder side. This palette right here, this one is called the City Lights palette. It's a 9-color eyeshadow palette coming in from Ruby May Cosmetics. And look at the funness of these colors. So you're going to start seeing a lot more of these colors, obviously, with spring and summer coming around the corner. I want to say Anastasia is coming out with her Riviera palette, which is going to give me, I think, a similar color story. I will say, with the pans being this big, you can actually use these eyeshadows as blushes. This coral color being the new Pantone shade of the year, you get it in there. Those girls that love a really pretty yellow, just to give you a quick little pop. And of course, my girls that love a good purple or a good kind of a sage green, boom. These to me are not colors that I wear all the time, so just by the mere fact that they're already in my collection, that I really enjoy wearing a really cute monochromatic look in that pink and that hot pink. Really cute, just to kind of, you know, stay on trend. But if you're like me and you typically like to stay in your neutral color ranges, this palette right here, this is the Kaleidoscope palette coming in again from Ruby May Cosmetics. It's brand new, and Ruby May was so super sweet to be one of the sponsors for my Ageless Glamour seminar. All of the ladies that were in attendance actually received their very own, and of course, I was hosting it, so of course I kept one for myself, right? Getting a 15-color eyeshadow palette with a mix of shimmers and some mattes. But you guys, these colors like this, oh my god, can you see the intensity coming in from these? And let's just go ahead and swatch 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and let you see what you're getting with this palette. Ruby May, again, is going to be one of those brands to watch, you guys. Every month they're rolling out something new, either with their lashy box or eyeshadow palettes. They even have brushes. So I'm totally going to tell you to check them out. This palette I have obsessed over this month. And the ladies from my class, they really enjoyed to get them a new eyeshadow palette too. But because I know you really came to find out what lashes I'm wearing, right? Well, these lashes, I honestly cannot remember what the heck lashes they are. But when I wanted to suit it up, these were the lashes that were on my eyes. I want to say Kiss is the mother company of Envy, coming in from the Iconic collection. This is the style number of the lashes, KPE116. Because when I went into the beauty supply to get another pair, you'll see that they have about, I'm gonna say maybe 15 to 20 different styles, but the style number that you want to look for is right here. I also picked up the number 2s. I haven't tried them as much, but I think that they would be, you know, similar. But these, when I wore these All-Star Weekend, you guys were, okay sis, what lashes are you wearing? These lashes honestly look like I had the best lash application. I mean, it was just a full-on lash moment. Okay, like, check my Instagram. They're there. The lash. So good. Of course, you guys are by now noticing my new background, my lipstick and glitter collection, my heritage collection, and my new glitter keepsake collection are on display in my makeup room. I completely redid my makeup room in the month of February. I love the new backdrop. I have storage now. I really didn't want to go with the whole IKEA Alex drawers, although, you know, this collection continues to grow. Mama's gonna probably have to invest in that. But I thought this one was really cute because of the way that my makeup room is honestly in my dining room, which is downstairs right off the door. But this is kind of where I entertain my girlfriends. It's right off the kitchen, and everybody seems to really love it. So Best of all, we did get my Lip Tricks website live. If you guys are hearing it first, liptricks.com is owned by your girl. It's going to keep you guys up to date with my YouTube. It's going to keep you up to date with when I have pop-up shops. You can always comment and see if we're going to be in a town near you. Also go on there to send information on booking. And of course, you have access to ordering your own Lip Tricks lip kits right now, liptricks.com. And that leads me to the color that I'm wearing today. Her name is Present, you guys. Present was one of the first colors that I showed you in my Lip Tricks swatch video. Present is my nude, and that's what she looks like. I didn't want to go with a pasty nude. I didn't want to go too pink, although there's several colors in that collection. Let's get that swatch a little pretty again. But you'll see she's a full-on nude. It gives me a little bit of a peachy moment, but she looks amazing on everyone. This color is called Present. And honestly, this has been the one that I've just been running out the door with. So if I wasn't wearing Present, then I was wearing the shade called the Silver. The Silver is a raisin tone mauve. I'll let you see that. Oh my God, with this look has been deadly, okay? I've had so many requests for this color. If you've been following me enough, you know Silver. I call Mike Silver the Silver. And this one was just really inspired by our so many travels that we had over the past 2 years. I have just been really in this creative space. I really want to give myself a chance to pause and appreciate what direction my creative side is moving in. So I really show it in my lipsticks right now. So make sure you go to liptricks.com. You can actually see all the stories behind the lipsticks, the heritage collection. The full story is there. You'll also see the story behind the keepsake collection, which are the glitters, and I'm going to get that video up really soon as we launch the Instagram site. So yeah, and of course the days that I don't want to do a glitter on top, then I have only been using this Jouer lip topper. Oh my God, there was so much hype again around Jouer and their lip toppers, but let me show you. That's a sick lip gloss, right? Oh my God. And how I use it, I always let my liquid lipsticks dry all the way matte. Probably have maybe my first cup of coffee, and right before I run out the door, if I want to pop a gloss on, then I pop a gloss on. So I'm wearing it right now, and I honestly just go right up on the Cupid's bow, and then I'll hit right in the center of the lip and lightly buff it out. I think what happens, a lot of people like to wear lip gloss, but it's all over. And I'm just one of those people that's a little bit more controlling with my lip gloss. I like my lipsticks and my lip glosses to behave. So proper application is going to give you the sheen, but not the slip, if you know what I'm saying. So there you have my February wrapped into a capsule, sharing some of my favorite moments, some of the favorite things that I did this month, as well as some of my favorite beauty products. Now, I'm sure that you guys have some suggestions. Clearly, there has to be products that I didn't get a chance to try that you guys are holding on to that information for me. So share. You guys know I love to know. Comment down below. You guys also know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. Also, you guys, click that bell, which is a post notification, so you never miss another upload. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.